Just Bruce Sussman.
Well, who turned down the light? I mean, what happened to our blue sky? It's suddenly gray. This is our Columbia River cam right there at Salties. It's 59 degrees. No wind to speak of, but boy, it's gray over the West Hills as well. Where just about 90 minutes ago, we still had some filtered sun, and we're at 60 right now in Portland, again, with no wind. Now, checking the radar, we are dry at this point. Live Doppler, see our radar beam going around here. There are a few sprinkles trying to squeeze in their way along the coast and trying to get into the Southern Valley. I don't expect much more than that as we go through the evening, but there's more rain on the way. Speaking of the coast, shaking's been going on both off the Oregon and California coast, and it started with our Sunday quake that was a 6.8. Then it was a Tuesday quake that was a 5.1. That was west of basically Newport, and then today, right near the border of California and Oregon, we had a 5.2. Now, you can never say that this quake caused these somehow, but sometimes the faults kind of readjust themselves after a sizable quake in the region. So maybe that's what's going on here. We'll find out, I guess, if things settle down. But we'll be tracking that for you anyway. 35, our low this morning in Portland. A lot of temperatures below freezing because of the clear skies. We still made it up to 60 in Portland. We had 63 in Salem and almost 70 down in Medford. So tonight, it's a slow cool down in the temperature department. It will not be getting so chilly as it did the last couple of nights because the clouds insulate us. We could have some sprinkles this evening, and then out the door tomorrow morning, expect a wet and at times a breezy commute, and then we'll see it switch to showers and sunbreaks by midday, if not a little sooner than that. A lot of clearing still east of the Cascades from about the mountains east. It's just beautiful right now, but the clouds are coming into the west, and this is what's going to create a wet morning drive for us. Then back behind the main storm front, notice how the clouds, it goes from that bright white to these broken up clouds. That's a sign of cooler air, scattered showers, and some sun breaks in between. So that's what we'll be expecting once the main batch of rain rolls through. What's the timing? Well, I think as we get into the overnight hours, we get a solid rain around here. This is the morning commute tomorrow. A lot of us have a wet commute. And then by about 10 a.m. or so, we're breaking into showers. The main batch of moisture has moved off to the east. We go through the rest of the day, and we just have scattered showers. It's really not bad, and a lot of sun breaks tomorrow evening. And then a Saturday morning, we'll have some filtered sunshine around here. Most of the rain coming into the north of us on Saturday, but we could see some mountain showers and even a sprinkle or two not out of the question in the valley. The big change, though, comes up on Sunday. It now looks like the Sunday system will come in more to the south than we originally thought, and so that's going to give us some afternoon rain around the valley. So tomorrow, rain to showers, southwest gust to 35 at the coast, breezy at times in the valley. You'll see temperatures in the 50s most places with some areas of rain east of the mountains, rain to showers in the gorge. And up on Mount Hood, we could get a few inches of ski resort snow, but the passes stay just wet. Saturday, look at that, 64 degrees. Sunday, a lot like today in the temperature department, but it should be wetter because I think in the afternoon we'll be getting wet, if not a little bit in the morning, but most of the rain is Sunday afternoon. So bottom line, you want to do something outdoors, Friday evening's a good time, before the sun goes down, or Saturday also a good time to work in the yard.
Sounds good.
Okie doke.
Good time for you to work in my yard.
Yeah.
All right.